Hey everyone, welcome sa isa na namang house tour. So my name is Lester and today I'll show you yung ating KAYLA Prime dito sa SENTRINA Calamba, Laguna. So this one has 94 square meters of usable floor area and 91 square meters of minimum lot area. Same with Area Prime, this one, ang main entrance natin will be on the carport. If you haven't seen our video for KAYLA Prime, this is very similar layout. Dito sa dress-up unit lang natin, there's a wall dito. Pero same thing siya, you can put your living area here and this one will be very flexible. As I mentioned, you can make this as a room. If you change the bed, pwede na siyang guest room or could be an extension of your living area, up to you. This is your dining area. Very spacious din siya. As you can see, this one is 6-seater na table. I'd say the kitchen is a little bit small, but again, you have that option to extend it dito sa ating right side, which could be a dirty kitchen or just an extension of your overall kitchen. High ceiling over here, which is always a plus. Ayan, I like this area kasi it adds dimension and space dun sa ating bahay. And itong ating mini office or study table if you want to. So, yan. The stairs are very space saving. So, tara sa taas. Nakita nyo kanina yung ating high ceiling, di ba? Kung may bisita kayo, while they're in the living area, yan, makikita mo sila dito and pwede mo na silang batiin kung kagigising ka lang. So, ayan. So, let me show you the rooms. You'll see here, ito yung master's bedroom. Queen size bed. And then, of course, yung access natin sa ating toilet and bowl. Which, ayan. That's what I meant. So, may access siya from the stairs sa labas and then from the master's bedroom. And of course, and maliwanag din siya. Light source natin yung ating window. The other room, if you have your kids, then this one, ayan, very light sa mata. This can fit a single bed for your kid and of course your storage area. Yung ating balcony, very spacious siya. And malaki siya. Family bonding for your small gatherings. And this part you can extend for, as I've said, for your kitchen maybe. Or even itong second floor, you can have it extended for additional space. So yun, super ganda din ang design itong si KAYLA Prime. If you want to have a tripping, please get in touch with us and we'll make sure to get back to you as soon as we can. So that's it for this house tour. So I hope you liked it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you sa ating next house tour. Bye-bye.